Guys, come and join me to decorate this cake. First of all, we're going to be making a buttercream, and I have my custard here to make the buttercream. So I'm using custard, or you call it pudding. I have vanilla pudding here that I'm going to be using. I make it this morning, and I have my butter here. So this recipe requires a lot of butter and pudding. Just two recipe. Just 3 ingredients. Rather, we call it 4 ingredients because I am going to be adding powdered sugar. So for that, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to be putting in my butter, room temperature soft butter. Do you know how many times I have to put this butter back in the fridge? Because soft. This was the last one that I just brought out, so it's not so sticky like the other one. Somebody is opening the door. Just a little bit more and we're done. So guys, we are done. Heaven! Yeah, don't go Heavenly. Yeah. Look at her. She's going. She's coming Heavenly. Oh, be careful, my love. Oh, sorry. Heaven! She's not coming? He's angry. Can you guys hear? He's not coming. Heavenly is not coming. So guys, we have our buttercream here. I was going to have it come and have that. Look our buttercream. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's so sticky. See that? Grandma, let him call, will you? Grandma said Liam knows too much. He knows a lot. Imagine calling the sister. Once Evelyn is coming now, you'll see it. He will come back. Oh. Evan, take.